Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove Grindr ban. First things first, you want to identify the reason for your ban such as unusual activities, spam reports, or other policy violations. If your ban is due to a misunderstanding or you believe that it is unwarranted, you want to consider reporting to Grindr support. To do this, just contact Grindr support through their official channels and explain your situation. Head also to your device app store and search for Grindr and ensure that your app is updated to the latest versions. Because updated, if not, you want to update the app to access the most recent features and security measures. Also, if reporting doesn't work, you want to consider changing your IP address, switch to a different Wi Fi network, or use your cellular data to change your IP address. Download then a Download then and install a reputable VPN app from your App Store. Then enable the VPN and select a different server location. Access then Grindr while connected to the VPN. After implementing these changes, just attempt to access Grindr again, and if successful, the ban may have been lifted or circumvented. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.